What is Tramadol? Tramadol is a centrally acting opioid analgesic used to treat moderate to moderately severe pain. It works on the brain and spinal cord to reduce the sensation of pain. 2. Drug class. Opioid analgesic. Centrally acting pain reliever. 3. Uses of Tramadol. Tramadol is used for moderate to severe pain, postoperative pain, chronic pain, e.g., arthritis, back pain, neuropathic pain, cancer-related pain, pain after injury or trauma. 4. Dosage of Tramadol. Adults. Usual dose, 50 to 100 milligrams every 4 to 6 hours as needed. Maximum dose, 400 milligrams per day. Elderly patients. Lower doses are recommended due to risk of side effects. Extended-release tablets. Once daily dosing, usually 100 to 300 milligrams. Warning: dosage should always be individualized by a healthcare professional. 5. Mechanism of action. How Tramadol works. Tramadol relieves pain by 2 mechanisms. 1. Weak mu-opioid receptor agonist reduces pain perception. 2. Inhibits reuptake of serotonin and norepinephrine, enhances pain inhibition pathways. This dual action makes Tramadol effective for both nociceptive and neuropathic pain. 6. Side effects of Tramadol. Common side effects: nausea and vomiting, dizziness, drowsiness, constipation, dry mouth, headache. Serious side effects: respiratory depression, seizures, especially at high doses, serotonin syndrome, dependence and addiction. 7. Contraindications. Tramadol should not be used in severe respiratory depression, acute intoxication with alcohol or sedatives, history of seizures without medical supervision, children under 12 years, patients using MAO inhibitors. 8. Drug interactions. Antidepressants, SSRIs, SNRIs, TCAs, risk of serotonin syndrome. Alcohol increased CNS depression. Benzodiazepines respiratory depression. Other opioids increased side effects. 9. Precautions and warnings. Risk of addiction and abuse. Use cautiously in epilepsy. Avoid driving or operating machinery. Dose adjustment in liver and kidney disease. Use during pregnancy and breastfeeding only if prescribed. 10. Tramadol in pregnancy and lactation. Pregnancy, Category C, use only if benefits outweigh risks. Breastfeeding, can pass into breast milk monitor infant. 11. Available dosage forms. Tablets, capsules, oral drops, extended-release tablets, injection, 4/IM. 12. Clinical importance. Effective pain control with less respiratory depression than strong opioids. Useful in chronic pain management. Commonly prescribed worldwide.